So this adventure started when I thought that mice were getting in through the dryer vent. So I started venting into the house and I blocked off the exterior dryer vent, and I was using this colander over the end of the vent hose, and it kind of worked. I didn't realize that they even made something like this interior dryer vent system with a stainless screen that pulls out, can be cleaned off, and then the polyester blue dryer filter behind the stainless screen, and it clips in. There's a little recess right there, so it clips in there. In theory, there you have it, clipped right in there. With the water tray, I guess that catches some dust, I suppose. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe condensation. Anyway, and it has a nice template to go up against the wall and drill 3 holes that then you slide that down over the screws, and then it comes with this clamp to clamp your hose on. And once you crank it up, the air comes out of there adequately. So, all in all, it's a pretty neat looking little system. Thank you for watching my video.